How to update Venmo linked bank. In order to update your linked bank on Venmo, you need to first thing first open your Venmo app and log into your account. After which you want to press onto the me section from the bottom right. When you do it so, you then need to go ahead and select the gear icon from the top of the page. When you go to this section, you will find a payment method, or just go to the wallet section and select banks and card. After which you want to find your old bank account, swipe left and select remove as well. Then you want to tap then you want to tap add a bank or card, then select a bank. As you do this, you then want to verify. That means you could select an instant way, or you could just select a manual as well. Just follow on the on-screen prompt, and that's how you're going to update Venmo linked bank. So if you're having any sort of issue while doing this procedure, you might want to contact the support team, or make sure to check your information that you've provided. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.